How are you today, Apollo?
I'm a little nervous. Is that a microphone?
As a field, we're humbled by things like screwing a light bulb, where you're interacting with smaller objects, and those are really hard problems that we are trying to solve.
When we first came up with the trash bag task in particular, several people did think it was impossible. You don't think about how to drive 22 separate joints when you operate your hand, but that's what we're asking these AI models to do.
You probably have seen all these running, jumping, backflipping.
AI models offer a way to navigate the messy complexity of our human environment.
The whole body of the humanoid, the delicate movements of the sharper hand, and the gripper, so the duo.
Weakness.
Hey, Duo. Kit all tools in the bin, close the kit, and put the kit back into the bin.
On it.
And they're each doing their own individual thinking, and they're actually orchestrating through reasoning.
Awesome precision, Duo. Keep going.
We're really after intelligence and generality. Being able to react to the scene changing, that is where the intelligence comes in.
I'm super.
It is quite exciting to be in the spotlight.